So we're here at Automotive MD and we're gonna get my car dynoed. So the owner here is Daniel, and check him out in his sick Corvette. As you can see over here, I'm sitting at 270,000 miles. So we'll see what the baseline is of my car before I turbo it and actually add more power. So we'll be able to see the difference. So the only power adders that I have on this car is my K&N intake and my gutted exhaust with a cutback. So pretty much completely stock. It's probably just gonna give me like 3 horsepower. So we'll see. Let's go! E-brake. This guy doesn't know where the parking brake is.
Oh shit.
That's my hydro.
I forgot. I hadn't worked on a GS for a long time. Let's go!
Alright, so this is Jeremy. I've known him for 15 years. Back in the day when I used to drive my SC300 with a 2JZ swap.
There's what my big boy car needs to look like.
So he used to have an SC400 that has a 1.5 JZ swap making about 600 horsepower. He was actually the first person that gave me a ride along on a drift event. And now he's actually going to be my tuner once I go standalone. We have the car in the dyno, and Shank thinks it's gonna make 173 horsepower, but I think it's gonna be more like 160. What do you guys think? How about you, Ben? What do you
165.
165?
Well, what is it supposed to be according to the manufacturer?
I mean, to the crank it's like 220.
Oh.
Probably like brand new will probably be like 180 to the wheels. But since it has like 270,000 miles, it probably lost.
I'd say 180.
You don't think it lost any horsepower?
Yeah, no, you said 200 for the manufacturer.
No, from the crank. But we're we're doing it from the to the wheels, so you can lose some drivetrain horsepower.
He's not gonna reverse, right?
No, he's already strapped. He's not gonna go anywhere. honestly, I'm impressed. For 270,000 miles, all the things that I do to it and all the things that it's been capable of, that's pretty solid. But next time, we're putting on boost. I appreciate Jeremy and Daniel for the Dyno Day. See you guys in the next one.